Hello, today we are going to talk about how to make an online ordering system from your menu, mainly from your PDF menu if that you have for your restaurant. We'll show you how to quickly turn that into an online ordering system. And the prerequisites for that are you have to have a Google account, a XcooBee account, a Stripe or PayPal account. We assume that you've already set them up and are currently trying to create the online menu system. We have videos in our YouTube channel that explain some of this as well if you are new to XcooBee and Stripe and so forth. Let's get started. The main tool that we will need is a PDF editor. There are paid ones, but we will use a free one that is available online. And to get it, we just need to go to an online website, in our case, sedstar.com/PDF editor. And as soon as you open that site, it will present you with an upload request. We will take our existing menu that is in PDF. It can come from any source as long as it's a PDF file. And I'm just going to drop it in here and boom, this looks like our menu. And you see we have drinks, bottled water, and your sandwiches all look very nice and delicious. We also ensure that this is legible so people can read it. And this is our base menu that we will start modifying and make orderable in a second. On the XcooBee side, we will need to work with our projects. And I have created two different projects, but we will only use one. And projects are how we bring together a lot of payment activity. In our case, we will use the restaurant orders project, and we will use the link generation tool that is available after you've activated the project. So we will use the link generation tool to actually insert links that lead our customers to place orders with us. It's fairly simple. We'll take each of the items that we see here, and in the Sejda tool, there is a link add button here right on the top. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to highlight anything that I want to make orderable. So when I do that, a little square is drawn around the item. It becomes slightly highlighted like a blue highlight. And now I have to generate the replacement link that I want to use when people click on it. To do that, I can just use the XcooBee link generation tool. I can enter an amount and a tax for the amount. In this case, actually, I will also include a little service charge and tax into the amount. So it will be, in this case, $1.49, and the tax that is actually included is 10 cents in my case. And this is fountain drink. Once I have this information filled in, I notice that the link has been automatically generated. I ask for a copy by clicking on this little icon. And this is the link I will take here and move over to my existing PDF right into this box where it says link to an external URL. And I will just paste it right like so. And then I click out of it, and that's all I need. And I'm going to go to the next piece, which is a bottled water element right here. And I continue doing this. Go back to my link generator here, change some of the pricing and description. In this case, I will make it 170, which includes all my service charges. The taxes for that would be 12 cents. And obviously, this is bottled water. And so here we go. Here's another link that's been generated. I'll make a copy of that one, paste it in here, and I am done with my drinks. So let me just scroll down quickly to sandwiches, maybe enable two of my sandwiches for ordering. Same thing, really, I'm highlighting the area that will have a link, make the change in my link generator to generate the right link for it. So in this case, it's a mozzarella sandwich, and the price for that with all the good stuff included would be $9.38 and maybe 64 cents, I believe, or something like that. So we again make a copy of that link that's been generated, go in here and paste it. I'm just using keyboard shortcuts, but you can do whatever you normally do for copying and pasting. Let's add the turkey sandwich as the last element for our menu. So we're going to say turkey sandwich. So as you see, the link is changing dynamically. the price, the total price would be something like 10.56 and then 72 cents of tax. So there we go. Let's make a copy of it, paste it right in here. So these are the types of modifications that we need to do. We are actually done with the modification to our PDF document or PDF menu. This Sajda tool then allows us to save a new menu or generate one that has all these links embedded. So I'm going to say apply changes for myself and have it process. I'm going to change also the name, and I'm going to say restaurant menu, and that is the one I will download, which really means I'm downloading a new version of my existing menu with the links that I've generated from XcooBee embedded into it. And that's what I will do next. Here I'm downloading it to my folder. That is really all we need to do. Now you have a working menu that can act as an online ordering platform. Let's imagine that we are a user, and let's change the view slightly. So here is the assumption is that I am a user. I have just downloaded this newly created menu that I've created in my Sajda PDF editor. I've sent it to this user, to this customer, or that customer has downloaded from my website. So he's looking at all the delicious offers that you have on your menu, and as he moves his mouse pointer over the ones that we have enabled for ordering, he starts clicking on it. So let's do that as well. And as you see, my browser opens, and this item is in my shopping cart. Let's order some more items by just going to click a bottled water, a mozzarella sandwich, and a turkey and Swiss sandwich. And as I'm clicking on these things, you see my order is being assembled with the right total. I can enter a note if I wish to make any modification or communicate anything. I'm pretty much done. I just need to fill in my information as the user to place the order with the restaurant. Let me just do that real quick. Okay, I'm just filling in the last pieces of the information for the user, and I'm ready to pay, and here goes my order. And done. As you see, the ordering process is fairly simple. The user can receive your menu in any way that you normally distribute it, whether it's through social media, email, or web downloads. Once they have the menu, they can repeatedly order without any problems. On the XcooBee side, you will actually receive a notification, a ding if you have the app, or if you're looking at the website, you will see a notification that an order has come in and the payment has been made. Your order sheet is populated with the order details. Here's what we're looking at, fountain water and so forth. It's right there, and the payment is also confirmed. So you can take care of the order right now and then inform the customer that the order has been placed and or is ready for pickup. But XcooBee can do a lot more than that. If you have paper menus that you hand out or people are taking home, you want to enable ordering from them as well. That's easy enough to do. It's very similar in the way we handle it. For example, here is a takeout menu page. Let's assume that somebody has taken that home. They can use their mobile device straight from this page and start placing orders. Similarly to clicking on links, scanning it with a mobile device will do the same thing. This can actually be combined. If you had this as a PDF menu, people could actually order from just clicking on the image to scanning the QR codes that are embedded into the PDF or the printed menu that they're taking home. So even your printed menus that you're spending a lot of money on printing and designing can be used to place orders directly without going through a middleman. Let me show you real quick how to generate QR codes that you can use to embed into existing menus for printout and take home and ordering. We go to the same area in the projects that we were before. Rather than using the URL code generator that we were using initially, we can use a similar one called the QR code generator. And we will fill in very much similar information. Let's say it's a $12.95, including $1.25 in taxes, and we can call it a burger. This is the QR code. You can download it and then also include in your printouts so that users can quickly use this type of code to place an order without any difficulty. The process, as you see, is very simple. We really don't have any equipment to buy or rent. It is usable on any device that the user brings. It doesn't require a special app or a desktop. It will work with various simple elements like the QR codes and the embeddable links, you don't pay any commission to an ordering service. And you really don't need a website. If somebody wanted to, they could download it from your Facebook page easily. If you're living in the Charlotte area, please watch for our posts on Twitter and Facebook, or just reach out to us if you need assistance. We are always here to help and be glad to do so. Thank you.